Do you want to live longer and feel better? It might come down to your relationship. A large study from 2010 found out that people who have strong social ties have a 50% lower risk of dying early compared to people who live in isolation. And get this, intimacy is important as well. Another study showed that simple warm touch between couples, including sexual intimacy, reduces blood pressure, lowers the stress hormone, and increases the production of the love hormone called oxytocin, the bonding hormone that makes you feel safe and connected. So whether you're laughing with your friends or cuddling with your partner, connection isn't just good for the soul, it's life-saving for your body. For similar such tips, follow me on my YouTube channel, Dr. Sohail Anwar, Mind and Body.